Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. In today's video, I'm going to share an update of the XRP Bull Bear Index. As you can see, currently XRP is 100% bullish. Then what XRP is currently doing in the Moonshot chart is very important, and we are going to talk about this in this video. Of course, I'm going to share a quick update of the XRP buy-sell indicator, and I cannot make a video without diving into the big picture chart. And last but not least, I'm going to tell you everything about the clout chart. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Now, let's begin. So this chart is very accurate, as you can see. If you don't know about it, you can watch my previous videos. And all you need to know is that when we are above the line is green and we are in a bull market. And below the line, we are in a bear market and the line is red. And as you can see, for the last month, we've been in a bull market because after the breakout, XRP hold this line as a beautiful support for multiple months in a row. We pierced it multiple times, but every time we had a nice bounce from the line and we always closed above the line. And as you can see, with these candles, XRP is taking off because it didn't touch the line. And this is actually quite positive because after multiple attempts of the bears to push us down every time that we were around the line, we have these three candles that don't touch the line, meaning that the bulls are winning. Of course, if we see XRP below the line like this, we would have to reevaluate, of course. But currently, this is very positive, guys. And at the same time, we have the XRP Bull Bear Index. For the very first time in a long time, we have all the dots that are green with this candle. And as the candle closed yesterday, this is official, guys. We have 100% bullishness in the chart. And I know that XRP seems very quiet, but trust me that this is a very good signal that a big move is coming soon. Currently, the string line is around 52 cents. So all you need is to remember this level to know if XRP is still in a bull market or in a bear market. Now let's dive a little bit deeper by moving to the next chart, the Moonshot chart. So I already explained the importance of this chart. We were waiting for the Moonshot Cross just right here, and this is what we had. After this, we have this move to the upside, and we needed to avoid the cross to the downside between the yellow line and the green line. And this is exactly what happened, and we had this nice curvature to the upside. So this was the sign that the market wanted XRP to go up, and this is exactly what happened. And the next step was to go down to retest the yellow line as a support. And as you can see, we tested it once, 2 times, 3 times. This is exceptional. And as long as XRP stays above this yellow line, as we touched it multiple times, we can consider that XRP is using this line as a support. And this is key to our next step, the moonshot, okay? So I remind you that in the past, every time that XRP goes into a bull run, before going into this bull run, XRP has to use the yellow line as a support. For example, here, this is exactly what happened. Here, you see, we have our cross, our Moonshot Cross. We go up, then we go down. You see the yellow line going down like this, but we have a curvature to avoid the cross, meaning that the bulls are defending this area, right? And after this, what happened? We went down to retest the yellow line as a support, right? This is exactly what happened. And here, you see, we used it as a support for multiple weeks in a row before pushing the price higher. So now, if we compare the current situation, you will see that it is pretty similar. Indeed, first, we have the cross, we go up, we have the cross, we go up, right? Then we go down below the green line. Then we go down below the green line, okay? After this, we go up. We use the yellow line as a resistance before the breakout. Here, we go up. We use the yellow line as a resistance before the breakout. And then after the breakout, as you can see, we go down to retest the yellow line as a support. And this is exactly what we did just right here. We went down to retest the yellow line as a support before going further. So now you understand why what we are currently seeing is crucial. XRP needs to maintain a level above the yellow line. If XRP is able to do this, then yes, we will have the confirmation we were waiting for to go into a bull run. This indicator is available for free on my website, so if you want it, please have a look at the description of the video. It's time to move to the next chart, the buy-sell chart. So on this chart, there is nothing new except that after this candle with the 1, we knew that the market needed to cool off. And that's why we have this very timid candle just right here, because after a candle with a 1, the market always went down or sideways. For example, here we have a 1, we went down. We have a 1s, we went down, right? Here we have a 1, we went down. 1, we went down. 1, we went down. Even here, we have this candle, right? Retesting the string line. Then here again, we went down. So with no surprise, guys, you can see that XRP needed to rest for a time. And on this chart, we can also make the comparison between this sell signal with this candle and this sell signal with this candle. In both scenarios, we went down in a strong way to retest the string line as a support. It was the case during the SEC sell-off, of course, but it was the case just right here also where we retested the line. That's why, again, both scenarios are very similar. And here we had a nice bounce from this level, from the string line, and we can see a nice bounce just right here from the line. Of course, we all know that XRP can do a better job, and that's why I want to see way higher prices in the future. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the next chart, the big picture chart. And here, the scenario between this area of the chart and this one is even clearer. And currently, as you can see, I consider that XRP is in the last phase before going into a bull market. Why? Because during this cycle, as you can see, we penetrated the band, we went up, sideways, first breakout. Here we penetrated the band, up, sideways, then breakout. Then we went down to retest the band and the bull market support with the blue dots as a support, right? Here it was the same. We went down to retest the band and the bull market support just right here. Then we had our second breakout. Then we had our second breakout. And right now we are using the band, the top of the band as a support. And just right here, we were doing the same, guys. We went up, then we were testing the top of the band as a support. And that's why if XRP is able to maintain this level above the bull bear band, then we are good to go. And I know that the time seems very long, guys, I agree, but step by step, XRP is breaking key levels before going into an official bull run. And of course, this is the bullish scenario. If we are not able to maintain this level, then we have to pay attention to the next area of support, and it is the bull market support with the blue dots. It is currently around 52 cents. And if we break this level, we would be in a very, very big trouble. So let's hope for the best and let's hope for XRP to maintain this level and to go up. It's time for the last chart of the day, the clout chart. And I have some breaking news to share with you on this chart. For the very first time in a long time, guys, we have this candle with its body not touching the cloud. This is very, very important for the future because for the last months, as you can see, we've been touching again and again the cloud with the bodies of the candles. As you can see, this was the first one. We closed above the cloud, but we have this entire body overlapping the cloud, right? Then we have the same for this one, for this one, for this one, for this one. Each candle was overlapping the cloud with its body. With this one again, this one, and this one. But the previous candle that closed yesterday managed to have this entire body above the cloud. And this is very bullish. So again, step by step, candle after candle, we see bullish signs popping up in the chart. And after the first breakout, just right here, then we have during this entire phase, XRP using the cloud as a beautiful support without closing below the cloud. This is very, very important. We always closed either above the cloud, either inside the cloud, but never below it. This was the confirmation that the bulls were defending this area, preventing XRP from going lower. And now they even pushed XRP higher and with this body above the cloud. So I hope it's clear. It's getting very exciting. The more I look at the charts, the more they get bullish. So if you want to track what will happen with us, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.